The bumps are a jumpy, wacky bunch that live on planet X. Time for a field trip with the ump. They're off on one of those treks. Blast off in the old space bus for planets new to disembark. There's a super science carnival at the Snoot amusement park. Watch out for the grump, he sucks up bumps and tunnels to his cave. The barker's a snoot who calls the shots. He'll tell you how to play.
We sure had a rough landing. Parts of the bus flew all around the amusement park. Can you help find the pieces and fix the bus? Click on the midway to have some more fun in the park. You need to attach 5 pieces to fix the bus. Keep an eye out for those yellow bus parts.
Welcome to the fantabulous Photon-o-tron. Don't be shy. Choose a door. Right this way for a rainbow of excitement. Click on door number 1 to find out how the ride works. Behind the middle door, you'll find puzzles that delight. Or if you're feeling truly brilliant, build your own puzzles and challenge yourself and your friends behind door number 3. Welcome to the Photon-o-tron, where bumps beam their way into the juice bar. Help them through the exit by using the tools.
Yippee!
Try moving the Buffo bouncer to help the bumps out the exit.
Yahoo! I made it!
All right. Click on the camera to take a picture of the bumps.
Woo! Oops! Oh!
Test your insights with these provocative predicaments. Move the tools to help the thirsty bumps through the puzzle, out the exit, and into the juice bar.
Woo!
To help the bumps through the ride, try moving or clicking on the unlocked tools.
Woohoo!
The blue border means that this tool is locked.
Yippee! I'm a winner!
You found a bus part.
Very nice indeed. Click on the camera to take a picture of the bumps. To try your skill with another puzzle, Try clicking on the podium arrows.
Yippee!
Want to try building some puzzles of your own? Click on door number 3. Ready to build your own puzzles? This is the place. Or try your hand at some real humdingers by clicking on the arrows below. Let's watch a movie.
Bumps in the Photon-o-tron travel in a straight line until they bump into something. Light, too, can travel in a straight line. Different things will happen depending on what light hits. A clear glass window lets light pass through it.
Woo!
Clear glass is called transparent. Frosted glass lets some light through.
Woo!
It's translucent. A window shade will stop all light from coming in. Things that stop light are called opaque.
Woo!
Smooth, polished surfaces reflect a lot of light. Mirrors make some of the best reflectors. Color filters absorb all colors of light except their own. Colored lights can mix to make new colors, like when you mix paints. But with lights, the rules are slightly different. With light, the primary colors are red, blue, and green. Green? Yep, we said the rules are different. Mix red and green to make yellow. Red and blue make purple or magenta. Blue and green make blue-green or cyan. Yellow, magenta, and cyan are called secondary colors. To make white light, combine all 3 primary colors. Black is no light at all.
Choose a game of Clump. Click on the Rules button to learn how to play. The game of Clump has begun. Click on a square to move the bumps. A clump. A clump. A clump. A clump. clump. A clump. You have won the game of clump. Hooray, you have won a bus part. Go fix the bus at the midway.
Heads up! Watch it! Watch it! Oh, pardon me! Out of the road!
Bye-bye.
Right this way to the Bubblearium. Take your pick and play your pleasure. If you want to learn about this watery wonderland, click on the one bubble door. To navigate more complicated puzzles, click on the two bubble door. The three bubble door is the place to build your own puzzles and take our bubble friends to new depths. In the Bubblearium, every Bumptz is a bubble, and the world's a watery wonder. Send the Bumptz through the ride, out the exit, and into the bubble bar by using the tools.
Yippee! Woo! Yes!
Not half bad.
Woo!
Water, water everywhere, and not a drop to drink. Help the Bumptz navigate these underwater obstacle courses through the exit and into the bubble bar by moving the unlocked tools.
Yippee!
Try clicking on the unlocked tools to help the Bumptz through the exit and out of the ride.
Woohoo! Too small.
Now here's something you'll really like.
A clock sinks. Cork floats. A cabbage floats. Clay sinks. Anything denser than the liquid or gas that surrounds it will sink. But that's not the whole story. Ta-da! Clay can float. Density and the shape of an object decide if something floats or sinks. A force is a push. Or a pull. A force can make a stationary object move. Or change the direction of a moving object. Or bring a moving object to rest. If something isn't moving, the forces acting on it are in balance.
Step right up! It's the magnificent Magneto world! Click on the door to your left to find out all about it. For some harder puzzles, click on the center door. Try the door on your right to make your own puzzles, or to play some real doozies. Click on one of these doors. Welcome to the Magneto world.
Woohoo! Bye-bye!
Puzzles, puzzles, puzzles! Test your sleuthing skills with these conundrums. Use the unlocked tools to guide the hungry Bumptz through the exit and out to the Fuffy stand. Try clicking on the unlocked tools to help the Bumptz through the exit and out of the ride.
Woo! Far out!
You found a bus part.
Yes!
Woohoo! Ta-ta! Woohoo! I'm a winner!
You found a bus part.
Congratulations!
Woo!
Want to try building some puzzles of your own? Click on door number 3. Here's something you'll really like.
Every magnet has a north pole and a south pole. No matter how many times you slice it, down to the tiniest bit. That's because every atom in a piece of iron acts like a tiny magnet. In non-magnetic iron, the groups of atoms are arranged in a messy way. When iron is magnetized, the groups of atoms line up and all their forces pull pull in the same direction. Voila! Magnetic force. Around every magnet is an invisible force field. This force is stronger up close and strongest at the poles. One end of the magnet is called the north or positive pole. The other end of the magnet is called the south or negative pole. Unlike gravity, magnetic force is both attractive and repulsive. Yuck! Likes repel, opposites attract. All magnets are both attractive and repulsive, except on Snoot, where magnets have the unusual ability to be all positive or all negative.
Woo! Ah! Watch the birdie! You found a bus part! Go fix the bus at the midway. Click on a crank to change the backdrop. Have fun in the rides!
Drop the dome onto the bus. Hooray! You fixed the dome. Attach 4 more parts and we can blast off. Great! You fixed the windshield. 3 more parts and we can blast off. Yowza! You fixed the door. Only 2 more parts and we can blast off. Hooray! You fixed the tail fin. Only 1 more part, and then we can fly back to Planet X. Yahoo! You fixed the bus. Now we can return to our planet. Click the crank on the front of the bus when you're ready to blast off. Click on the midway to have some more fun in the park. Let's look at your pictures. Are you ready to blast off now? Start the bus by clicking the crank. Click on the midway to have some more fun in the park. You can blast off whenever you're ready by clicking the crank.
Back home go the bumps in the old space bus with clangs and rattles and thumps. Back home to Planet X they ride, those wacko wonderful bumps.